As said before, there was a study apparently that the GMs killed the monarch butterflies because they ate GM corn. However, this monarch study, according to Peter Teisel, was held in a laboratory, not in the field, and so therefore the original study may have been flawed, and that's according to the Department of Agriculture and the FDA. So clearly the FDA does regulate GMOs, and many of the tests against GMOs are in labs and not in the actual environment, and so can oftentimes be skewed and misleading. GMOs really do benefit the environment. They conserve basically like everything needed in the process of producing a plant. So when there's so much product being used up, there's like a little less amounts of soil, water, and fertilizer, and there's more food being produced. So this increases the food security in the world as the population is growing at an exponential rate, and world hunger is already an issue. So GMOs try to solve this issue and have the potential to do so. Although there are some risks to GMOs, like the allergens, if the GMOs were properly labeled, this could solve this issue, and people would know not to eat a particular GM food that may have like some traces of meth in it or something. And it is a new technology, but there are always risks to new technology, but the benefits outweigh this. And also there's an example with Starlink corn, which is a GM corn, and it was found in food, although it was unintentionally placed in there, and people thought that this was the cause of their asthma attacks and allergies, but the Centers for Disease and Control took samples of this and found the data inconclusive. So they don't really know for sure if it's GMs that are causing many people's allergies, but tests are continued to try to figure out if some GMs actually do. But in general, GMOs do increase nutrient yield and the overall productivity of crops, so they're actually more beneficial to mankind and the environment and society than they are harmful to them.